This short video will walk you through the steps to update the Falcon BMS updater. Note that you must own and have an official and properly licensed copy of Falcon 4.0 base already installed. This tutorial assumes that you already have downloaded and installed Falcon BMS 4.37 or some version of its update. If the updater needs to be updated, you will see this message pop-up box. Simply close out of Falcon BMS and go to the directory where you initially downloaded the downloader. If you have deleted the Falcon BMS downloader.exe, you'll need to go to the Falcon BMS website and re-download the downloader. Start up the Falcon BMS downloader and click Run Anyway if the Microsoft Defender window pops up. In the downloader application, click Next. Then tick the box that says Just Update My Updater.exe and click Install. Your Falcon BMS updater will update. Click OK to close the downloader and relaunch Falcon BMS. Now when you click on the updater icon, it will run as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Falcon BMS updater. If this video was helpful to you, please strike a like and let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.